What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here once again with another video for you all, and in today's video we will be going over how to make your first $1,000 day with print on demand, with Shopify Print on Demand, and how to consistently make over $1,000 worth of sales a day. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video, and give me suggestions. What do you think of this video? What do you think of print on demand? Do you prefer print on demand over drop shipping or what? Alright, now there are key elements to making your first $1,000 a day. Number one is that it's $1,000 a day of revenue, right? It's not of profit. And so starting out, your profit might be like a 10% profit, so you're actually profiting $100. And for e-commerce, it's actually not that bad. So how to start making $1,000 a day with print on demand. So the number one way is to, so this is after you've been getting sales. You know, you're probably making close to $400 or $500 a day, and you're trying to get to that 4-figure mark, right? Now, what to push you to that next level is to research, right? Research. That's key. Now, what are you researching? You're really immersing yourself in the category, in the niche you're in. So I know I always give the example of horseback riding. So let's say you started selling horseback riding t-shirts. You just really have to immerse yourself into that niche and really get into it, and like follow all the forums, follow the Reddit threads, follow them on Etsy, on Pinterest, on, you know, follow horseback riders on Instagram and see what they do. So really immerse yourself in the niche. And you all may think, oh, this is not practical, but everything starts in the mind, right? You have to have that mindset, like, this is me, this is mine. How can I sell it? How can I give them the same experience or those feelings and put it on a shirt? So immerse yourself in the niche. Now, the number two way is to explore more advertising techniques. If I can spell techniques, you guys all know. Oh, did I? Technique. Blah, blah, blah. Nope. Techniques. All right. So what does that mean? So you're probably just doing Facebook advertisements right now. You maybe do a little bit of Instagram, but it's mostly Facebook advertisements. Hold on one second. Now, you may be only doing Facebook advertisements. So another technique is to really explore your Instagram. Now, you have to use Instagram in order to test products, in order to grow a large following on social media for your brand, you know, for your website brand itself. So explore more advertising techniques. Instagram is one, you know, whether that's sponsored posts, paying other horseback riding pages to put your t-shirt in their post or in their story, and building your brand also. So Instagram posts. Another thing is in exploring more advertising techniques is Google Ads. This is often ignored with Shopify dropshipping and print on demand. And, you know, usually people in this field thinks, oh, that's for the big companies. I can't compete. There's hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands of companies doing that. You know, what makes a difference for me? But it's still good to try it, because when you do it, even if you don't make no sales, it just changes your mind, right? To explore, to try out things, even though you fail. Okay? And you never know, it still might work for you. Because I tried Google Ads too. It didn't completely work for me, but there were some days that I got really good sales, really good profit. And so always explore these other techniques. Instagram posts, Google Ads. Another really good one is Etsy. Now, Etsy is just full of like custom-made t-shirts and things like that. And also it'll help you to look at your other competitors, see what they're doing, see different designs on their page, because Etsy is really cliquish and like niche oriented, and you can get a lot of inspiration for designs for your print on demand t-shirts. So Etsy. Now, the number 3 way is to bring you to that next step of $1,000 a day is to really take advantage of your email list. Now, email list, so important. For me, it took me a while to actually start using it, but this probably saved my company. There were days where my ads were doing absolutely horrible, but only because of my email list, I was able to make profit for that week, for that day, for that month, right? So really sending out those emails is so important, whether they're products, whether they're just like a birthday reminder or a reminder that, hey, you left something in your cart. So all of these things work together to pull you into that $1,000 day. Now, a lot of you are thinking, oh, I'm not even making $10 a day, but these techniques work well even in the beginning when you're not making anything. So you can still apply these lessons to your brand, your website. So email lists. Another good thing about email lists is that when you're creating your shirt brand, it's very niche and interest oriented, right? So you can create blogs. Blogs are so amazing, man. You know, I had so many people from my website saying, oh, thank you for the blogs. Or like if I miss 1 week, they're like, oh, what happened? You know, I was waiting for those weekly blogs. And that just really connects them to them. So with email, send blog updates, something like that. So yeah, sending those blog updates are so important for just connecting them to your website and just creating that brand, a sense of brand within themselves. All right, so another technique is increasing Facebook. I can't spell, you guys, Facebook ads. I know I spelled increasing, but I just didn't spell it correctly. So increasing Facebook ads. So especially in the beginning, you know, when people say, oh, throw $20 at this ad a day, that's like, so like, oh my goodness, I can't believe. But now, hopefully you all are used to that and you can double or triple the amount of ad spend you're doing each day, which will really increase your sales to bring people in and to just have more data for your pixel. So by increasing your Facebook ads, you usually should increase your sales. Now, I do believe with Facebook ads, there is like a point of diminishing return where there's a point where you're not making profit, you know, and so you have to look out for that. But when increasing your ads, you also increase the page, your Facebook page that you're advertising this in. You know, more people are liking your page, more people are there, and you're increasing the pixel data of your Facebook analytics in your website. So the more customers and more visitors you have coming into your website, the better. Now, the fifth way to make $1,000 a day with print on demand is to really explore making similar items, right? Similar designs and putting it on other things other than t-shirts. So putting designs on other products. Now with print on demand, I know different companies like Printful and Custom Cat, you are able to not only put designs on t-shirts, but on hats, on mugs, on rugs, on phone cases. And so let's say you have a winner, like you have a winning t-shirt design, right? And it's making you a good amount. Let's say it's making you $300 a day worth of sales. What you can do now is just take that same design and put it on a mug and advertise it to the same people. You know, use that email list and say, hey, now we have this design on a mug. Hey, now we have this design on a hat. Now we have this design on a rug, and that will heavily, you know, increase the traffic to your store and increase your sales. Now, I know a lot of you all are probably thinking, dang, but I'm not even making, you know, this $10, $20 a day. And I know I already said this in this video, but I just want to reiterate with you all that these 5 steps or suggestions, recommendations to increase your sales to thousands can be used at any level. If your game. I can still use that right now with my business. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Let me know what you all think of this video. All right, have a good day. Bye.